What's up everyone, my name is Ben, and these are the top 5 free Android apps for the second week of April. Some of these free Android apps are also compatible with iOS, which is really nice as some of you guys are on iOS. And I will jump right into this video. So the first app on the list is called Dead on Arrival 2. This game was specifically made for the Nvidia Shield, but it's also compatible with some high-end Android phones. If we just take a quick overview of the menu, on the top you can see a few different categories which you can use to change some of the settings. You have Play, Custom, Upgrades, Profile, Bang, and Deals, since this game does include in-app purchases. This game has also got a multiplayer mode, which is really nice, but then again single player isn't all that bad either. So as you can see right here, this game isn't a 3D game, but a 2D game, and don't worry, the graphics are still incredibly good. So to keep the game going, you have to kill all the zombies that try to kill you. For each kill you get 10 points, which you can then spend to buy new weapons and upgrades. Up next we have a calendar app called Cal. When I first found out about this app, I was shocked that I didn't start using it before. It makes everything much easier, you just have to take your time to set it up. To add an event to your calendar, simply click the plus button, add a caption, date and time of when this event will be taking place. You can also add a reminder for the event in case you forget stuff a lot, tag people in the event, and even add an address on the map. This app will automatically sync the event to your Google account. It will also add birthdays from your Facebook, which is also a really nice feature. Heading over to the next tab, this one is called Fleksy Keyboard Free, and this is actually a keyboard. So when you first open up this app, you'll have to follow some instructions so you can start using the app. First you'll have to go to settings and enable the Fleksy keyboard. Up next you'll have to select Fleksy from the list of keyboards, and that's pretty much it. If you want, you can also add your Google, Facebook or Twitter account, which will make things a bit easier. This app has a lot of typing shortcuts which will make you type faster. For example, you can swipe right to space, swipe down to browse through suggestions, swipe left to backspace a word, and so on. There's a lot more features to this app, but believe me, if I wanted to cover all of them in one video, you'd click off the video before the end. Up next we have an app called App Lock, which will allow you to lock your app with a PIN code. When you open up the app for the first time, you'll have to set up a PIN code and a security email if you forget your PIN code. After you're finished with setting up your PIN code, you can simply mark the apps and features that you want to lock, and that's pretty much it. When someone will want to access the app on your phone, they will have to enter that PIN code that you just set up, otherwise they won't get into the app. It's a pretty cool app if you don't like using pins and patterns on your lock screen, but you just want to lock some of the apps. And finally, the last app for today is called Floppy Fall. This game is not just another Flappy Bird copy, but it's actually a pretty solid game. It's kind of similar to Flappy Bird of course, but the point of this game is to collect as much birds as possible without missing one of the birds. My high score is around 100 at the moment, but believe me that I'll beat my high score really soon as I'm playing this game all the time. However, the menu of this game is kind of weird. Sometimes it just lags when you want to play the game, which is really annoying. If you guys decide to download this game, then please let me know what's your high score in the comment section down below. So anyway guys, that's pretty much it for the second episode of top 5 free Android apps of the week. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give that like button a click. It's just a click, but it helps me out a lot. Comment down below with your thoughts, and finally be sure to subscribe for more high quality technology content.